drip, swim with the fist. Inside of my whip, look like a fish. Spit your re-up, design on my kick. China plate, China dish. Dubai whips, Dubai trips. Foreign chicks. Shot when I land exotic drip. Exotic whips, exotic trips. Exotic kids, exotic bitch. Shot when I land exotic drip. Exotic whips, exotic chips. Exotic trips. Shot when I land exotic trip. New Amsterdam, no smoking, got gift. $9,000, that's just for the fit. In Dubai, driving a whip like my shit. Clutching the gear, I'm making this shit. Doing the dash, I'm punching the gas. And $5,000 kit. Foreign exchange, checking on profit. 20 on the watch, ain't never clock in. Blood on my shoes, you know I'm popping. Louis turban around my head like Aladdin. Gucci belt on that, I'm still sagging. Catch me dabbing out of Durban. Shopping in Europe with a fur. Catching flights like I'm touring. I bought a foreign cause it was born. I'm counting foreign money till I start snoring. Lamborghini bought.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rich off the net, and we back again with another bang. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button, smack the subscribe button, guys. Literally, I'm always dropping videos full of value, doing giveaways. I actually got a $1,000 giveaway collaboration with the Rich family, my girl's channel, and you know she's gonna be giving away 2K. I'm gonna be giving away 1,000, so $3,000 all together. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on, head on over to the Rich family, right, and do the same, guys. I think this is overdue. I searched the net, I did a lot of searching, did a lot of typing, looking around, and I really didn't see a lot of videos over this subject, but this is definitely something that I'm always getting messages, guys. I'm always getting messages. Hey, Rich, right? What's the difference between Forex and the stock market? Hey, Rich, I've heard of stock trading, but how come I've never heard of Forex trading? Forex must be a scam. Hey, Rich, can you make more money stock trading than Forex? So I just want to get all into it, guys, and really just talk about what's the difference between Forex and trading stocks, man, and which one is better and which one you should start today. So let's get it, let's go, let's get rocking. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually get into it exactly what the big difference is between Forex and stocks, guys. So I get a lot of messages, you know, and so I want to start off. One big difference is just the platforms they use. You know, stocks, you can trade stocks on Robinhood. I actually have a Robinhood account because I have bought some stocks before. I'm not a big stock trader, but I do have some stocks. And the crazy thing is I bought my stocks very, very low, pretty much like a year ago. And you guys pretty much see on the screen that even in that year, guys, I've only made $4,000 in profit. And I bought all of these stocks at a low. And you see, you know, even just the last couple of weeks, I've only been able to make a few $100s. So just starting off, you know, with Robinhood, I know that I started in with a couple of $1,000s, a few $1,000s, and to only be able to say that I'm up $3,000 in profit right there is like, okay, you gotta understand with stocks, this is more long term. You're pretty much buying into companies and predicting that company is gonna become very, very successful in the future, right? But meanwhile, with Forex, we actually trade on an app called MetaTrader 4, right? There's other apps, but we definitely made this app very, very popular. And with MetaTrader 4, guys, it's very simple, right? You can literally set up your broker and then connect that broker to your MetaTrader 4 account and literally be making money right away. And so another big thing leading into these accounts, guys, like I said, when I started my stock account, I put, you know, close to like $6,000-$7,000 in there. I think it was like $6,500, $7,000 in there. And I pretty much haven't done nothing with it, guys. I pretty much sat on it. I haven't touched it. I haven't done anything with it. And, you know, now, you know, pretty much just seeing how fast it pretty much moved, you know, unbiasedly, I definitely would say Forex is a lot better as far as, you know, how much capital you need. So I'm going to actually show my screen, show my computer, and show you a few more reasons why I feel like, you know, Forex is better than trading stocks. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get right into it, guys. As you see, I'm on TradingView. If you guys don't know about TradingView, it's literally a free platform that allows you guys to literally mark up charts, and it gives you updates. A lot of people trade on here, and it's like a whole community type of platform where you can talk to people and see their ideas and whatever. As far as Forex, you need just less capital, right? I know you can start Robinhood with $1, right? I get that. You can start Robinhood with $1, but you can't buy a stock for $1, right? But with Forex, you see right here, it says minimum $10 deposit. Minimum $10 deposit, and then with Forex, it's a lot different because when you go to that MetaTrader 4 app and you click on a pair to trade, like let's say you click on gold, right? Instead of buying that whole gold at whatever gold price is at, because gold is becoming more and more expensive, right? Instead of buying a whole piece of gold, you can literally buy into the market that says, hey, I think gold is gonna go up and I wanna get paid off of the percentage in the price that it moves, right? And so it's a lot easier, guys. I've seen people literally start with $5, $10, make hundreds. I've seen people start with multiple hundreds and make thousands. And with the stock market, you know, it's a lot different pretty much of just what I showed y'all. Pretty much a whole year into the market, I've only been able to make $3,000, right? So that's still cool, that's still good, but just showing you guys the big difference. If you're starting off with small capital, I definitely recommend you guys trading Forex. If you're in this for the long term and you really just want to be very, very safe and say, I want to buy into some companies because I know they're going to be here for a long term, then I definitely recommend, you know, you trading stocks. But for those people that are really literally looking to I need to make money, I need to get in, I need to get out, you know, I definitely recommend Forex, guys, because trading companies versus trading currency is just so different. So if you guys don't know, you know, Robinhood is definitely a place you could go set up an account and start trading stocks, right? And one of the brokers that I use, I don't recommend brokers. You're not going to see any broker links under my videos. I don't need your money. I don't want to be connected to your account. I don't recommend brokers, but one broker that I use is Hugo's Way. So if you want to use that one, you can. If not, whatever, you can find whatever broker you want to. But like I'm saying, guys, Robinhood is a lot different because, you know, with Robinhood, when you fund your account, guys, it takes like a minute. Like if you're funding it with real capital, you can't trade right away. But with Hugo's Way and trading Forex, like literally you can set up an account, be trading in the markets the same exact day. So one thing that's very, very different, like I was saying, is trading companies versus trading currency. So let's kind of talk about it, right? So Tesla stock, like let's say you set up an account with $500 to trade stocks, but you're trying to buy Tesla stock that's $1,500. You can't really buy any stocks that's going to be worth anything anytime soon, right? This Tesla will have to triple and quintuple and 5 times for you to really make a profit, guys. And that's the big difference, because with Forex, that same 500, you can put, hey, $10 a pip, and that thing moves 100 pips, and you guys kind of understand how much money you can make, because 100 pips, 10 pips, 50 pips, that stuff can happen literally 30 minutes to an hour, 2 hours. It doesn't take long, guys. So when it comes down to trading stocks, you know, one thing that's really interesting to me is that people literally put their money into these markets, right? So Disney stock, $127. So yeah, that's a lot affordable, but let's just understand, most of you guys watching these videos, you're either college kids or you're people that's looking to get out the rat race, or you're looking to like take your money that you're making from your job and invest into other things. And $127, like let's just be honest, even if you buy 10 shares, right, that's only $1,200, but a lot of people don't have $1,200 just to buy 10 shares and let it sit over time, guys. But I know a lot of people that's been able to take $1,000 and make, you know, tens of thousands of dollars in the foreign exchange market, right? So foreign is just a lot different. Another real big difference with Forex is that it's recession proof. As you guys see right here, I have Google pulled up, and it pretty much says, like right here on Google, Forex is not only recession proof way to make a lot of money and survive an economic crash, right? You got to understand economic crash. You got to understand literally what we just went through, like the whole quarantine, the whole corona, like all the companies crash. Like if you trade stocks, you literally seen your whole portfolio turn red for a while, right? And like I said, I bought at the lower times in that type of while all that was going on, and the whole market was crashing. But during that time that the market was crashing, guess what Forex traders were doing? They were actually selling and selling and selling. And that's one thing that I really love about Forex, that you can be in complete control of where you predict the money is going, guys. And that's you know, if you can do that, you're literally ahead of the economy, guys. You know what's going to happen in the world. That's why you've seen so many CEOs stepping down from their companies right before, you know, the whole quarantine. It's because they knew, because of this information. So if you're watching these videos and you're wondering if you should even get into this, guys, this is super duper important, because literally I have videos of me talking about, you know, a recession is coming. And I actually think I have a clip. If I can find it, I'll throw it in right here. But I have videos of me saying that a recession is coming. So another thing that's really cool with the whole Forex, you know, is that the withdrawals are quick. You don't have to go through a huge process. You literally can make $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 in a day, right? In a day, in an hour, and you can withdraw that money the same day, guys. It literally takes a few hours, doesn't take time. You can withdraw it right to your Cash App or whatever crypto wallet that you personally use, guys. So, you know, I don't really want to make this video long, guys, but those are a few things that I really just see that are different between Forex and trading stocks, guys. I hope this video was valuable for you guys. If you're looking to start Forex or stock, like, just get started, guys. Like, literally, it could change your life. Both of them are lucrative. Both of them are valuable. I just truly unbiased, you know, I feel like, you know, Forex is just better, guys. And that's because I actually tried out stocks. I've been trading Forex for a while. I've never traded stocks before, and I was like, hey, let me throw some money in the stock market. All the stocks are low. They're lower than they ever been. And just to see, you know, pretty much a year later that I've only made $3,000 and I can snap my fingers and make $3,000 in the Forex markets, it pretty much just shows where the real value is, guys. So one thing that I actually want to show you guys before I get out of here is people that actually make money in our community, people who are actually making the type of money that I'm talking about, right? And I want to show you people who are able to take small pieces of money, like literally pennies, and turn it into dollars, guys. So you see, I pretty much have my screen pulled up. Hold on, let me get this situated for you guys. I have my screen pulled up, and I just want you guys to see inside of our community that we welcome you guys, how people are profiting from the foreign exchange markets, right? So you see right here, somebody, you know, they traded Euro CAD. So they're trading the Euro dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and they said $5 that per pip, and they predict that the market is going to fall, right? They're selling it, right? And so they took $5 and literally made $84, and they took another $5 and made $79. You can't do that in the stock market, guys. I don't want to just talk about it. I literally want to show you guys. So I'm not going to keep this too much longer. Show you guys a couple more success stories. Here you have somebody who took who's buying gold. So you have people who will buy gold to hold it, but understand there's a whole market that you can buy gold, get in and get out, get in, get out. You don't have to like physically own gold. So you see this person was able, you know, to make $747 on a $6,000 account in one day. And so here's the last person that I'm going to show you if I can find it. And this was pretty impressive. She said, hey, made my first 10K day. I love Forex. And look at her deposit. She started with $500. She started with $500 and she just had a $10,000 day. No stock is gonna grow that far. Like, matter of fact, I just seen a whole, you know, news thing about how Kodak, you know, if you would have bought Kodak right before that big explosion that happened because they bought something that helps with, you know, the whole corona and whatever, right? But only way you would have been in place to do that is if you watch a lot of news, you do a lot of research, and you know a lot about whatever they had bought, right? But with this, he's just saying, hey, the price of gold is going up. I got $500. I want to buy into this price. And that's the best part about trading Forex, guys. It's just a lot more lucrative. You can get your money, you can get out. You don't got to go broke to even get in, guys. And so if you actually want to get started trading Forex, guys, like literally, you can either head over over to babypips.com. Learn for free, guys. I'm not the type of guy, I'm not here to sell you no course. I'm not here to sell you no strategy. But one thing that I do is I'm a part of literally the #1 Forex Academy, you should say, that where literally they take you in and teach you guys the basics, the intermediate, the advanced, everything you need to know to be a Forex trader. So if you never did it, don't worry about it. We're literally gonna hold your hand and walk you through, walk you to a success story, guys. So if you're coachable and you're willing to learn, you're willing to plug in, my contact details are below, or if you need more information, my website is below, Rich Off the Net, where I have a free webinar on there where me and my business partner, who's literally a 7-figure trader, we literally walk you guys through how you can start trading, why you should be trading anyway, showing you guys a lot of success stories and how you can plug into our community and become one yourself. So I hope to see you guys on the inside, because the outside is way too crowded. Let's get it, let's go. You already know, we out. Maybe you're just looking for a better way, whatever it is, man. We showing people it's out here. Look right here. Talk to you guys real quick about opportunity, man. People walk past this every single day. Read the words and everything. They don't know what it means. They don't know you can do it from your phone, make a real living off of it. Look, currency exchange. It's right here in Times Square. But look at all these people walking past opportunity right here. There's 2 ways you can do it. You can come to a store, or you can plug in and understand we're in a digital age and you can do it from your phone. I wanted to show you guys what you get when you plug in with us. No matter if you got experience in the markets, experience with Bitcoin, experience with currency trading, it don't matter. Right here you see BTC buy, giving you an entry, your stop loss, multiple take profits. It's one thing to be ignorant because you don't know. It's another thing to like see what's going on and stay stupid.
New bust down on my wrist, inside of my drip, swim with the fist, inside of my whip, look like a fish, jewelry up, design of my kicks, shine the plate, shine the dish, Dubai whips, Dubai trips, foreign chips, shot when I land inside the drip, exotic whips, exotic trips, exotic kids, exotic bitch, shot when I land